Yeah, I just got my haircut. Yeah, it's awesome. Full 180 spin. 360. Oh, I didn't see all. There. That time you saw it, right? You better! Well, whatever. It's an awesome haircut. Skill. No, I'm kidding. I'm not a poser. No. Yeah, well. Peace out. Try that way or that way. I usually don't care. Whatever.